How to use the child lock function. First, choose any preset that you have decided to cook with help of the function button. Now let the heating start beginning. You will understand with help of the heating symbol by 3 yellow lines at bottom. Once the heating has started, you will see that the child lock function on the top left corner is blinking. Press it for 3 seconds. You will see that the child lock function blinking has stopped. That means child lock is activated. Now, if you will try to press any other button, you will not be able to press it. You can leave the electric pressure cooker unattended at this time. Now, when you are back near the machine and you want to do further work, you once again press the child lock button for 3 seconds and it will once again start blinking. That means now you can use any other button, which includes cancelling the function or putting it to standby mode.